In this video, I'll show you how you can digitally sign a PDF file for free with no additional applications. So here you can see I've got a PDF file. It's just an example PDF file, and I'm going to sign it somewhere around here. So here's how I would do it. So I would use an online PDF editor called Small PDF. So go to Google, type in Small PDF. This is 100% free, and this isn't sponsored. It's just I use this tool quite a lot. So once you're on smallpdf.com, go to Tools, then go to eSign PDF. Then you can go ahead and drag in or click and find your PDF file. So I'm going to open this one from my desktop. Now that will recognize it's a PDF and it should import into this editor. Now what we can do here is we can go ahead and find where we want to sign it, and then we can go ahead and add either your signature or your initials. So if you want to add your signature, click Add, and you can go ahead and either draw, type, or upload your signature. So I'm going to draw out here my signature, and this can be a bit fiddly on mouse and keyboard, but we'll run with that. We can then click Create. Additionally, you can put in your initials if you don't want to write your signature, or if you want to make it even more precise, you can take a picture of your signature on a blank piece of paper and upload it, and you would obviously do that via the upload section. But this looks good to me, so I'm going to drag this on, and we can put this wherever we want and wherever it's needed. Then you can go ahead and click Finish and Sign, and that will then add that signature to your PDF file. Then you can just download that in the top right hand corner, and then it will download with your signature here. So if we open the new file, you can see here is my digital signature. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.